What's up? My name's Conor Clarke and this is my bike check. So I'm going to be saying BSD a lot in this, but I figured like one company's parts is going to go together a lot better than like mixing and matching stuff, which is why I have like no spaces here. So yeah, right. So grips are the Vans and Colt collaboration grips. They're like well soft once you break them in.
They get real sticky, don't they?
Yeah. Oh no, these aren't too bad.
Really?
Yeah.
Mine got a bit janky.
My hands were cold the other day though when I put them on and it was like... got BSD Raider bars. Like, I don't know if they come in different sizes, but whichever ones they are, they're the biggest ones.
They look like 10s, don't they?
Huh?
They look like 10s.
I think so.
Yeah.
The BSD Race V2 stem, and I think it's just a BSD integrated headset. Forks, BSD acid forks. Front wheel is the United Supreme, just like the fleet wheel. It's double walled rim and everything, seal bearings. So, tyre, front and back, Conor Streaks 2.4. Hub guards, I've had these for years, I think. They're
G-Sport Glam Mark 3, I think.
Oh yeah, Glance, yeah.
Yeah.
Except I like snapped all of the little, like the thicker cable ties that came with it, so I'm just using regular ones now, which keep snapping. So I probably need to buy some.
Do they come with a string?
Huh?
Don't they come with like a string you can tie them?
Yeah, but that's well awkward. Like I tried doing it before, and I just couldn't figure out how to do it. And then I've got 4 pegs, but only 3 of them are plastic. They're the yeah, so the federal ones, the plastic ones, like I think they're 4.5 inches, and then basically I was like, I need to look after this little bag with all the spaces in, so I could put it. Wait, why didn't I put it on there?
The back one's a big axle, isn't it? You shouldn't need any spaces for that. It's the front you put.
Oh, the back wheel is a United Supreme free coaster, but it's like a 10mm axle, but then the insert, the bolt for it's like 7mm or something.
Oh, you used to have a Colt cassette like that. It was just a snap.
Oh. Well, it's fine at the moment. But yeah, I lost like the little converter washer, so I couldn't put the 4th plastic peg on. So I've had to use a front peg on the back. That makes sense.
Screw.
Whatever. Frame, BSD Raider 21.6. I just felt like my old bike was a little bit small for me, and David Grant's fucking huge. So
21.6.
Yeah.
It's like 1 inch bigger than my top tube.
Yeah.
I've got a 20.7.
It just feels more comfortable and stuff, so yeah, I like it. Pedals, the Odyssey Trail Mix. Metal, because I've had plastic ones snap on me before. Like, it was just like a kicker to a hill landing, and I landed and it snapped. So, I think BSD Substance cranks 175. I think it's the 28 tooth BSD Super Light. I have no idea what the chain is, but it's black and it works. So.
Seat?
Yeah, seat is BSD Passenger in grey. But because I spent so much money on Source, they sent me a free seat as well, so I got that in black.
Oh, that's good.
So
when I bought stuff, I could get a free seat or a tool kit without tool kit.
Yeah, I should probably should have picked it. But
what hub guards have you got on the back?
Hub guards on the left non-drive side is a Federal Club Guard, and the one on the right is Shadow. It's like Shadow Raptor, but
Yeah.
there's two versions. One of them's universal, one of them's made for the Raptor themselves. The other
Does it go on the inside or outside of the frame?
inside. So it replaces, both of them replaces the cone nuts on both sides.
Does it screw on or do you just like place it?
Slide on.
Mine like places on the outside of my frame, it's really weird.
My back wheel's a little bit older. Oh, the BSD seat post is on. And the bottom bracket's BSD too.
Cool. Alright, sick.
There's like no parts to the VMX compared to other bikes.
Yeah. That didn't take very long, like 6 minutes. Alright, that's good, we've got loads of time for riding clips.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Is that everything? I feel like I should say a bit more about it.
Yeah. It's big, it's all big.
Yeah, everything's massive on it, which is good because I'm 6'2".
Alright. Stop that.
Yeah.
It's all about fun.
Was that everything?
Yeah.
Oh, my hands. Frame, seat, tyre, bottom bracket, headset, pedals, crank, T-post, stem, bucket, bars, forks. I think that's it, you know.